Alright, buddy. How are you today? Now, I am in one of coffee shop in Banda Aceh. Name is M35. Imagine that. Before tsunami disaster 20 December 2004 the time. Here, this place, this village, every mosque, every house, every school was swept by tsunami disaster 2004 the time. Imagine that. This location was destroyed. No one lived, no one subscribed from this place. This water river almost 15 meters. Imagine that. At a time when earthquake happened, nobody know about the water came out from the ocean. Imagine that. That is totally so fast, like 1,000 kilometers per hour. This fast that wave. Imagine that, man. This never happened in this era, in this worldwide. At the time when tsunami happened, to December 26, 2004, the time make shock world at the time. When I was 50, even though I never knew about that exactly, but a lot of foreigners, a lot of countries all over the world was came to my country, including just for Aceh. I couldn't imagine that. Why do people, every country just came to Aceh? I have no idea why, because I was young at the time. I was still, I got scared at the time, but not know that exactly. Man, that every country, United States, United Kingdom, then Europe, just help Indonesia. Imagine that, man. I couldn't imagine that. But after tsunami disaster 12 years ago, Banda Aceh totally awesome. Banda Aceh, a lot of visitors from Middle East, from Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Asia, West Asia, North Asia, every country around the world, because they just see the miracle. Imagine that. Everywhere, everything was destroyed, like mosques, like house, and that, like schools, hospital, but just Allah, just let life, this mosque, the miracle mosque, this is survivor for the big wave. December's name is 26, 24 the time. I can imagine that. Why? Behind mosque, beside mosque, in front of mosque was destroyed. No one lived the time. Imagine that. But I couldn't imagine that. Alright, you want to come to Indonesia, you want to come to my province Aceh, you know, for it calmly, because I'm a rich guy. I'm going to carry and trail thing to you. I don't think I can spend that, man. No man. Don't forget about that. That's all from me.